Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers easy. First, select ground beef with an 80/20 fat ratio for the juiciest results. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 1/2 inch thick. A pro tip, press a small thumbprint into the center of each patty. This simple step helps prevent your burgers from bulging in the middle while cooking, ensuring they stay flat and cook evenly. Let's get cooking. Now let's talk about cooking. Season your patties generously on both sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Place them on a preheated hot grill or in a cast iron skillet. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side, flipping only once to achieve a beautiful sear and a perfectly cooked interior. Avoid pressing down on the burgers, as this squeezes out the delicious juices. With your patties cooked, it's time to assemble. Lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a fantastic texture and prevents them from getting soggy. If you like cheese, add a slice to your patty during the last minute of cooking so it melts perfectly. Finally, pile on your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and thinly sliced onions for that ultimate burger experience. Your amazing homemade burgers are ready. Serve them immediately with your favorite sides, like crispy fries or a fresh salad. For an extra touch, consider whipping up a unique special sauce to elevate the flavor even further. Remember, the best burgers are the ones you enjoy with good company. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.